Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lincoln MKX 2007 to 2010? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 and 2008 Lincoln MKX is located near the front of the engine bay on the driver's side. It contains high-amperage fuses and relays for critical systems such as the cooling fan, ABS, ignition, fuel pump, and powertrain control. This fuse box ensures stable power distribution to essential components and allows for quick diagnostic access under the hood. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2009 and 2010 Lincoln MKX is located in the front left section of the engine bay near the battery. It houses high current fuses and relays for vital systems like the powertrain, ABS, cooling fans, fuel system, and electric steering. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 and 2008 Lincoln MKX is located under the dashboard on the passenger side, behind a trim panel. It controls interior electrical functions such as the power windows, door locks, audio system, interior lighting, and climate controls. This fuse box is easily accessible, allowing quick inspection and replacement of fuses related to cabin features. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2009 and 2010 Lincoln MKX is located behind a trim panel on the left side of the driver's footwell. It controls and protects circuits for interior systems like power windows, door locks, interior lights, sync module, audio, climate control, and more. Designed for accessibility, this fuse box allows easy inspection and replacement of fuses related to essential in-cabin electronics.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.